The stability order of resonating structures. A list of resonating structures are provided. In that, stability order of resonating structures were asked. Yes, the options provided are option A is like this, option B is like this, option C followed by option D are like this. Out of these provided 4 options, if we go for the option D, in case of option D, what happens is here carbon is having negative charge, having a chance to be resonanced with the carbonyl carbon, and here nitrogen is having octet configuration followed by positive charge because it is maintaining 4 bonds. So therefore here extended conjugation is present. Due to these reasons, D is found to be more stable resonance structure. After D, if we go for B, in case of B, similar to that of D is present, and moreover here there is a chance to participate in mesomerism with the lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen with the adjacent carbon having positive charge. Relatively less electronegative atom holding of positive charge is found to be stable. So therefore carbon with negative charge having chance similar way to be involved in resonance with the carbonyl carbon, and here it is also stable because it is carbon holding positive charge, but it is without having octet configuration. This atom and this atom, here both atoms are having octet, hence D is more stable. After D, the chance of stability comes for C. If we go for after leaving B, and this is B, after leaving B and D, if I go for A and C, in case of A and C, this particular atom remains same in both the cases. Here carbon is electron deficient, whereas here oxygen is electron deficient. Oxygen more electronegative is electron deficient is found to be least stable. So therefore lastly it is C. Then after the position is occupied by A. So therefore the stability order of the given resonance structures, if you look at, D is found to be stable. The reasons for the D stability is carbon is holding negative charge, followed by here carbon is holding negative charge, whereas here nitrogen is having positive charge with octet configuration. 2 atoms are with octet. Here 1 atom is electron deficient, other 1 atom is octet. That's what D greater compared to B. And A and C both are lesser in stability wise because compared to the remaining 2 entries like B and D, here the electron atmosphere is different. In that A and C offers little because in case of C, the more electronegative oxygen atom is holding positive charge. More electronegative atom holding of positive charge makes it unstable compared to the first case, that is A, carbon less electronegative holding positive charge appears to be relatively more stable. Remaining all entries in A and C appears to be same. So therefore the stability order is order of stability. That is order of stability can be given by D is greater than B, B is greater than A is greater than C.